Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by verifying prerequisites and taking the first steps right now. Make sure your phone runs a recent Android build and that a secure screen lock is set. This is mandatory. Once locked, go to Settings, search for Security or Biometrics, and open the Biometric Enrollment area. Make sure the sensor is clean and your fingers dry. This improves recognition. Tap Add Fingerprint or Add Face, follow on-screen prompts, and place your finger on the sensor when prompted to start registering. Now continue with detailed enrollment. You'll be guided through repeated scans, vary finger angle and position so the sensor captures a full template. Make small adjustments when the system requests more data, and lift and reposition between attempts to fill coverage gaps. If facial enrollment is offered, turn your head slightly and maintain neutral expression. Side light can help. Once the progress bar reaches completion, accept any privacy prompts and choose whether to allow biometrics for app sign-in, payments, or only device. Finish by validating and securing the setup. You should test unlocking right away, add a second fingerprint or face profile as a fallback. If recognition fails often, delete the enrollment and re-enroll carefully, cleaning the sensor and using slightly different angles. Rebooting can resolve driver hiccups. Make sure biometric permissions are granted to apps you want to use and keep your OS updated. If problems persist, remove screen protectors or contact manufacturer support for hardware diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.